A layover in Copenhagen is actually a gift. The city center is 13 minutes from CPH airport, and even short connections give you time to explore. Whether you have 4 hours or 16, here's your plan for CPH. Getting around from CPH is easy. The metro takes you to the city in just 13 to 15 minutes, with trains every 4 to 6 minutes and service running 24/7. Check the airport website for current metro pricing, or grab a rideshare for about 250 to 350 kroner in 20 to 25 minutes. Let's build your itinerary. With just 4 hours, this is a quick city dash to see Copenhagen's most iconic spot. After clearing customs, hop on the metro straight to Kongens Nytorv station. From there, it's a quick walk to Nyhavn, the famous colorful waterfront with 17th century townhouses lining the canal. Grab a Danish pastry and snap some photos before heading back to catch your flight. Can you leave Copenhagen Airport during layover with only 4 hours? Just barely, but Nyhavn makes it worth the sprint. Got 8 hours? Now you can really explore during your Copenhagen Airport layover. Start by taking the metro to Kongens Nytorv, then walk to Nyhavn for those iconic canal photos. Next, stroll down Strøget, Europe's longest pedestrian street, perfect for window shopping and people watching. After that, visit Amalienborg Palace to catch the changing of the guard at the royal residence. Then grab traditional smørrebrød, those famous open-faced sandwiches, at a local lunch spot. Finally, check out the CPH Airport Lounge options or grab some CPH Airport food before your flight. This gives you a solid taste of Danish culture and cuisine. 16 hours? That's a full day in Copenhagen, and you can experience the city like a local. After customs, take the metro to the city and start at Nyhavn for breakfast and photos. Then explore Strøget and pop into Danish design shops. Next, visit Rosenborg Castle to see the crown jewels and stroll the gardens. Grab lunch at Torvehalleren Food Market, where you can sample everything from smørrebrød to international cuisine. After that, take a canal boat tour from Nyhavn to see the city from the water, including the Little Mermaid statue. Then visit the National Museum, which has free admission and incredible Danish history exhibits. For dinner, enjoy a proper sit-down meal with traditional frikadeller or crispy pork. Finally, walk through Tivoli Gardens, next to the train station before heading back to the airport. This is the ultimate Copenhagen layover experience. Budget breakdown. The 4-hour dash costs about $15 for metro and a pastry. The 8-hour Explorer runs about $45 with transit and a proper lunch. And the full 16-hour day comes to around $110, including meals, attractions, and that canal tour. Remember, Copenhagen is cashless, so credit cards work everywhere. A few tips. First, download offline maps before you land since the metro station is right at Terminal 3. Second, skip the airport currency exchange and just use your credit card everywhere. Copenhagen is completely cashless. Third, if you're staying airside, check out the new Aspire Lounge that opened in 2025. It's worth the day pass for longer layovers. Planning a Copenhagen layover? Get the full guide with visa requirements, luggage storage, and more city recommendations at yopki.com. Link in the description below.